Hi, my name's Peter from True North Marine. I spent my career in the maritime industry. The last 20 I was a trainer and assessor. I'm retired now, so I spend my time as a rescue boat captain and I make short training videos. I'm also an invigilator with the Office of Maritime Communication, so I conduct exams for people who need their marine radio license. Hi, Peter here, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back if you're returning. We do really appreciate you watching the videos. Today's topic is going to be on our VHF radio high and low power button. So the high and low power button on a VHF radio controls the transmission power output. Now this power output is usually between low power, which is 1 watt, and high power, which is 25 watts on most fixed radios. If it's a handheld radio, the maximum could just be 5 watts. Now high power, 25 watts. This is for long range communications, particularly useful when you're far from the shore. Important if you're transmitting urgent, safety or distress messages where you want to transfer it over greater distances to communicate with vessels that may be further away from you. Or if you're trying to make contact with a land base that could be some distance from where you are. So what is the purpose of the high and low power button? So when you have it on low power, 1 watt, this is generally for short-range communications, typically just up to a few miles. It reduces interference with distant stations. It conserves your battery power, especially important on a handheld radio, and it really is encouraged to be used when you're in a harbour or marina environment where you're close to other vessels. So how should we use these functions on our radio? Well, usually when you switch your radio on, it will by default be on 25 watt or high power, and you'll see the high symbol on your screen. So you should switch it to low power when you're around other vessels in harbour environments and marinas, etc., and only switch it to high power when you want to talk over long distances. You'll usually find that when you're on channel 16, that will default to high power anyway, but if you switch to another channel, then you should turn the high power down to low power. And remember, it's just a touch of a button to do that.